Hi there, I want to show you this Mikey 4 light color changing LED floodlights. It comes with 4 LED lights, very useful instructions and manual. 2 remotes. If you look at the remotes, it's 29 keys remote, right? This whole 4-pack is 35 watt. You can put red, green, blue or white colors. You can make them auto turn off after 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. You can smoothen the brightness, and the best part, the memory piece. Whatever combination setup you have, when you turn it off and turn on next time, it will remember that memory as well. The remotes is a 12-meter sensing distance and up to 360 degrees. The good part, these floodlights, you can use it inside the house, you can use it in the backyard, outside. This is IP66, that means it's waterproof and dustproof. You can use it whether it's rain or snow, does not matter. They also have sent you, if you want to mount it on the walls itself. Let me install this and then show you how to use them. So I've installed all the lights in my backyard. It's very easy to install, just plug it in. Right, I've installed all 4 in my backyard. Since this is IP66 waterproof and dustproof, you can use it whether it's rain or snow, no worries, right? Let me turn it on. The remote is the 29 key remote, just on. You can look at it, it's so bright light. It comes with 2 remote, so you can use it anywhere. Now with the remote, you can change the color, right? You can make it green, blue, even white, and with colors you can even make it more smooth, right? So different color combinations. Basically you have a lot of combinations. You can set it up for auto shut off after 2 hours, 4 hours or 6 hours, etc. You can increase or reduce the brightness to 25%, 40%, 55%, 70%, 85% and 100%. And it's very easy. You want to turn it off. That's it.